Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making a simple spicy snack recipe. Let's see how to make the spicy chili snack, or also called as Mirchi Bajji. And here I am showing you the stuffed chili snack. So let's mash 2 boiled potatoes. And let's season it with some chili powder, cumin powder, ginger, green chili, some salt, and some chopped onion and some cilantro. Mix everything really well. Now our stuffing is ready. Keep that aside and let's prepare the coating for the snack. Take some gram flour with some rice flour, salt, red chili powder, ajwain, some baking soda and some turmeric powder. Mix everything nicely. Add enough water to make it into a batter. Don't make it too runny or else it will not coat around the chili. Now let's prepare the chili to make the snack. Take each chili, give a slit and take out the seeds from inside. This step is required only if you are doing a stuffed chili snack. But if you don't want to do a stuffed version, we can simply take each chilies, dip them in the batter and directly fry it in oil. I am preparing all the chilies in the same manner. Now let's take the potato mix and fill it inside the chilies. Now in this stuffing you can add different ingredients like some more capsicum, mushrooms, paneer, or even try with some chicken. Now our first stuffed chili is ready. Now let's fill all the chilies in the same way. One thing you have to be careful, there should not be any water content in the stuffing or else the batter will not coat properly on the chilies. Once all the stuffed chilies are ready, heat some oil and take each chilies, dip them in the batter and directly fry it in oil. Keep the heat on medium and evenly fry all the sides. Once it changes its color and turns crispy, take it out from oil. Place it on a strainer to get rid of all the excess oil. Likewise, fry all the chilies. And there you go, our super easy, spicy, fried chili snack is ready. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Do hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.